Welcome to the channel, guys. Hope you are doing good. So today we will be discussing about the product of OK Life Care, which is Fighter 40 Plus. Before moving further, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Now, what is Fighter 40 Plus? Fighter 40 is a happy aging product. It helps in hormonal balance, happy aging, and manage menopausal symptoms. Aging is a natural phenomenon among living beings. Everyone goes through aging, but with the overpacked modern life of the 21st century, the burden of lifestyle disorders seems increasing day by day. Especially in women after 40 years of age, these issues may worsen. These issues can be postmenopausal disorders, osteoporosis, stress, hormonal imbalance, mood swings, skin dullness, cold or hot flashes, problems, etc. So, we developed a unique formulation that is Fighter 40 Plus, which helps in the management of these age-related health issues, generally appearing after 40 years of age in women, and also supports happy aging. Fighter 40 Plus is a herbopharmaceutical product specially designed for women who are in their 40s. This product is prepared by using a blend of herbal extracts and dietary supplements that provides a synergistic effect on their health. It can become an easy way to manage these age-related issues and live a healthier life. If you are enjoying today's video, do hit the like button. Now, we will be discussing some key benefits of Fighter 40, which are Fighter 40 Plus is a specialized formulation consisting of a blend of different super botanical extracts, such as GINKGO biloba, SATAVARI, black COHOSH extract, chasteberry extract, buckthorn, etc., and dietary ingredients such as vitamin D3, vitamin C, vitamin E, biotin, calcium, magnesium, iron, folic acid, etc., with probiotics which are good for gut health and immunity. It helps in the management of issues such as stress, pre-post-menopause changes, osteoporosis, skin health, joint issues, hormonal imbalance, etc. that arise in women, mostly after 40 years of age. It contains black COHOSH, which helps to manage the sleep cycle, pre-post-menopausal symptoms. SHALLAKI is known to be beneficial in joint pains, muscular and back pain. It contains chasteberry, which helps in the management of cramps, menopausal mood swings. It contains evening primrose oil and buckthorn, which helps to manage some skin disorders like acne, dry, itchy, and thickened skin, and hormonal balance. SATAVARI helps to manage hormonal balance and sexual health. It contains cranberry, which acts as an antioxidant and helps in UTI management. It contains milk thistle, which helps to support liver health. So, thanks for watching the video. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. Like and share the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.